Then, okay, so we should be online. Today was an interesting day. I woke up a little later than I expected, but I managed to do everything that I wanted this far. So, and I want to continue with widgets, even though I'm not a big fan of that class for some reasons. Oh, I'm getting a really good reception. So at everyone. Okay, so as I said, this is a white monster stream. So let me just open this. Okay, I like to see that. this. Wait, it's not fully open. Very nice. So small fun fact, even though that I'm known to like energy drinks, I don't drink them that often. I think that they have too much caffeine. But on occasion, they can be really good. I like both Red Bull and Monster, but Red Bull is the type of thing that if I'm late on something and just need that sugar spike and caffeine boost, it's perfect, but Monster is much more enjoyable. So if I'm hangover or whatever, Monster is much better. Oh, did you see that render? Okay. Widget show. So I did widget show. Let's go to Mr. Widget. Parent. Okay, this is the widget B table. Let's just put this on a notepad in case I forget this. Okay. Okay. So I don't know why there's this thing here. It calls specifically that one. Okay. I guess that's destroy, but so I guess this hides. Doesn't okay. Let's just put some music. Yeah, this one. Widgets. Very hard to tell what's going on, but we can just go here. Already. Oh, okay. So again, there's that thing. I don't know if it's more tearing, but I guess with this new GPU, I notice a little more lag. But it can just be a placebo thing since I switch cards. I don't believe a 1050 Ti will not struggle with the same thing. Okay, this part down here seems to be all good, but here I seem to be completely cooked. So test, yes, and here I'm calling a function. Okay, that's the problem. So hide. Exactly. So I just do the same thing, right? Flush. Okay, yeah. What should be the... Okay, 1c. 1c divided by 4, 7. Okay, what's the 7? Yeah, it's flush. Okay. So this is a big problem, because I guess flush is not there. Yeah, indeed. And there's a padding. Ah, okay. I think I'll break some stuff, but... Oh, yeah, okay. So expected 5, but got 6. Okay, that's stupid. That's not a real error. Obey parent, but got 9. Yeah, why is this thing here though? This weird thing. Let's just move it down here. Okay, it validates. Something that I don't think a lot nowadays is that how crazy it is that I replaced the component in my computer from AMD to, I mean NVIDIA to AMD, and it just, you know, worked out of the box. You know, I'm not just upgrading from NVIDIA to NVIDIA, I'm completely switching, and it just worked. I had to use DDU, which is display driver and installer, but that was smooth as hell. Just go into safe mode, run it, done. Like, modern technology is almost black magic fuckery. If you try to pull away. For all the doomerism out there, I like to remind everyone that we probably live in one of the best times for tech. I hate most tech, but the few that work, it's always a pleasure. So, okay. Okay. Matching. Widget. Alright. Widget. Okay. Let me just... So good. I don't know how Civilization got to the current year without White Monster, you know? It's one of those things that... I think one thing that AMD probably struggles more with than NVIDIA is switching screens. So I have a 1080p screen, 144 Hz is 4K, 60 Hz. And I guess Windows 11 also tries to snap to the corners and whatever. It's hard to say exactly what is going on there. GHI. All data. Come on. Okay. This is flush. Do I have flush somewhere? I should have it. Okay, there's this STD distance. Very interesting. So erase. Maybe I'll skip flush for now. Just to try to preserve my sanity, right? Widget is entity. Oh, wow. So okay, this is big, and apparently the focus and focus, they don't make any sense. So this widget thing. Okay, widget focus, right? Okay. Maybe I can use the same script that I used before, right? But I don't know if it will work though. Oh, wait. Okay. Uh-huh. This looks like focus and unfocus, right? Right here. So I have a script that can delete it. Okay. Widget vtable. So 46, okay. MPB. So let's now see how many there are here. So there's this thing with okay, word wraps. So yeah, we have a similar problem here. Okay. Oh, I saved it. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. I just don't want the long line wraps. There's not a one-to-one match, right? So right here. Okay. So apparently there's one more. Okay, override showing. Yeah, okay. There's indeed some kind of difference that I'm not really super sure why, but I can figure it out. And maybe, how am I going to address this? Let's do the last functions, right? That's the focus and unfocus. Mr. Widget. So focus. So this focus, it's so 0. Okay. So that's 44. And then you have unfocus 45. Just it. Is not a member of widgets. Yeah, that's a problem. Widget H. Scale 2 transform. Okay, it seems to end around here, which is fine. So friend void focus. Not friends. Why? Okay. Much better. Now I need to add them. Is not a member of widgets. And did I? Oh. Oh no. Okay. I just don't know how to type, that's it. And resolve the external symbol, okay, that's fine. The problem is that everything here is suffixed with widget, so it makes it really hard to look for the part of the code that I actually want to change. Saying it's a minor annoyance is downplaying how atrocious it is. Okay, so it finishes around here. So void widgets focus void doesn't do anything, so void. I can just do the same here. And focus. That's fine. And go. It will fail for sure. So I need to add 3. So padding virtual. Good. If you don't know what to do, you can always add extra padding functions. Remember that. Kidding. Yeah, it works. I'm treating this as a widget vtable. Should be though. There's many pieces of code that reference it. Okay, go to the widget vtable. Nice. So my padding virtual, yeah. This is focus. Let's add it, right? Not sure why it's so high, but yeah. Very nice. Ah, wait. So git diff widget focus. So just take and focus. Okay. Very good. Set layer. Huh. Let's see. What does set layer do? Layer. It takes a widget layer. Okay, whatever. It's this guy. Yeah, this guy. Widgets. (15c). Okay. No, no, no. Okay. God damn it. Okay, sounds good. Do I have the... Oh, it's right here, the set. Mm-hmm. Why does it look like that? I have no idea. So which function is this guy calling, right? So this is calling the 80. So 80 divided by 4 is 32. Okay. Where is my thing? So B. Yeah, this guy. 32 down. Fade 2. No, it makes no sense to be fade 2. Hey, yo, why so many? 164. Okay. So, uh-huh. Okay. Okay. B0. Oh, 40. What? I'm even more confused. So B0. 44, but there's no 44. What the heck? What are they actually calling there? Wait. Let's just do this. Plus B0. 20. Unfocus. What? So they call unfocus. Could it be? Could it be? Could it be? Could it be unfocus? So AC. AC divided by 4. 43. Yeah, that's set layer. That's what it should be, right? What? Focus. Do I wait? Maybe not this guy. Okay. Right. Oh, interesting. The V table is a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Snap. So 42. Okay. that makes more sense. Okay. What? Answer. Oh crap. Okay, I'll need to look at this. Sorry, be right back. Okay, I should be back. Okay, okay. Alrighty. So here, according to this thing, it takes a widget layer E. Widget layer E. Does it exist though? Widget layer E. It doesn't. I guess it's just enum. So just an enum widget type E. Widget layer E. So widget CPP for explanation. Okay, what? Okay. It's like it's another BRB for me, sorry. Oh god. Widget layer E. Widget. So layer 0. Added and guessed. I guess it's the replacement for RW whatever. Alrighty. I have no idea what that thing is. But I can keep that there. I don't give a shit about that, right? So set layer. The problem is this set layer. So what's the name of the thing again? I forgot. Widget layer. So I'm doing two things at once, and this is why you should never do two things at once. widget layer E. Yay! Okay, it went full circle. Nice. Not found in VREP. Okay. Now I need to do the same here. Set layer. Psych. Maybe I should panic. Yeah, panic. Set layer. Widget. Wait. Maybe I can just do widget layer E and YOLO it, right? So I can just do void widget set layer. Oh, I was partially muted. Ah. Okay. Little bummed with the news. That's fine. Uh-huh. Okay, I guess I'll just go here. And I'll need to put the layer whatever somewhere here. So widget layer E layer. You go girl. And now I need to add validation. Okay. So iterator, yeah. Exactly. Or PC start. Yeah. Widget and okay. Perfect. So what I'm doing is yeah. So for child, yada yada yada. Child set layer. So it's just this. So this is a recursive function. Must point set layer. Yeah, okay. It's something like this. No. Okay, almost there, but yeah. Call. Okay, there's something very weird. Okay. Okay, this fixes one of the issues. The set layer is completely wrong. Layer 43. $36. Okay, that's indeed the problem. So set layer. Let's change the type. Is that I need to go to focus, add these two guys, add it here, and delete one of the padding virtuals. Yes, we don't need it anymore, or we don't need them anymore. I mean, maybe I messed up a little. Yeah, okay. Actually, I need. Oh, because I overrode one of the paddings. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, if validation passes, then I can go into here. You know, when I got into the job market, I really hated testing. Testing in general. But then for my own project, I started introducing like this validation, which is basically testing. I call it validation. And yeah, I prefer it much better. Because, you know, it's not about testing, it's about how useful the tests are. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay, I'm happy with this. So, okay. Matching and patch. Added the content. The content. The content. No. Video. Set layer. Okay, let's go back. Yeah. What's above set layer according to this guy, right? Is entity, which returns 0. Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. I don't know if this exists, right? It doesn't exist. Okay, so they definitely removed it. So, uh, so set layer. Yeah. So export virtual bool is entity, and yeah, it's void const return. I don't know why they do this, but I'll start doing the same, right? And I can probably even put it okay matching. So, and it passes. Okay, let's just quickly check this here. Is entity. Oh my lord, so unexpected. Yeah, this looks fine. So what I actually need to do is go here. I guess it's defined in the header file. That's why the offset is so high. Update call. Hey, it's quite big. Update scale. Doesn't look too hard though. So let's take a look at this. Do I have this update call? I do. And yeah, it looks really good. I can already sense that some things are in the wrong offsets, but yeah, it's really good to see. I'm happy. Let's just need to make sure. Alrighty. I have no idea what these guys are, so the best way for me to know what they are about is to actually check what they are. Update call. Update call. Here they are. And ignoring parent. Apps. Update call. Okay. So what I need to do is validate vtable is entity. So update call, and it is 41. And yeah, it's definitely not in the proper place, but got 39. So now I need to go to update call right here, export, and it's right here where this guy used to be. Touch, move down. So these guys really changed a lot of stuff. That's what I'm seeing. Update call, but I got 40. Got 41. Oh yeah, I still need, okay, so the padding virtual is going up, okay. I'm stupid, I removed one behind, so. Math is hard. Methamphetamines is hard. Just kidding. It's an absolute joke. I guess it stands for update color then. Okay. I'm happy these matches. Okay, much better. This looks really, really good. I was not really expecting this to be this crisp. 70. So what's at 70? This guy. No idea what it is. This 70. Oh, this. I live for this shit. Okay. So 71 plus 83 F4. I don't give a shit. So it's time to slowly base call, right? It's a color. Kind of forgot what colors are. Last color. So it's 4 floats. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Base call. So validate right here. Base call. That's just quick validation. F0. Hey, yo, what? No. Oh, okay. My bad. It's absolute call. Okay. And that might be wrong too. This does work, but I'm slightly confused. So we know that. Do I have color here, right? Oh, I do. Nice. So this is color pointer. So, okay, we know that these matches absolute call and base call. Let's just put both at 0 and see where they fall into. So B0 for absolute call and F0 for this guy. Okay, so B0 should be absolute color. So color absolute call for, and then F0 will be base call for. Base call for. Yes. Bam. Okay. No, okay. So divided by 4. And okay. So these are, this is supposed to be RG. Call. Where's the other? Okay, call. So I guess it's just. I guess this is 70 here, right? I guess this should be at 70, right? I'm just guessing. Because if the functions are similar, yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, I'm on the correct. So this is color call for. Can you eat a dick? So color call. This is kind of annoying what's going on, but I see exactly what's going on. So these things are at the proper offsets. Okay, absolute color. Widget get us. Alrighty. Can even export it if you want. So okay. I see how this plays out. Okay. So this guy at 10 is a widget parent. And that's making a vehicle. Okay. Is parent at the proper offset, right? So parent Yeah, it's in the wrong offset. But got 14. Okay, that's a problem. Just do this and it should work. Nothing changed. And what? Oh. Yeah, right here. My bad, my bad. Okay, now much better. Now if I do this, Mr. Widget, update call, short for caller calculator. I'm just taking a look at the broad strokes of this, and now let's do this. If checker. Well, trust God's plan. Okay, this looks sweet. What about this guy? Mr. Wow. Alrighty-o. So this looks really good. So we can give it a OK matching to update call. And say git commit widget update call. I didn't have to do anything. This is my favorite type of functions. Oh no, I'm an idiot because I forgot to do this, right? Very nice. So git commit. Okay, let me just. Okay, how to commit and auto squash and auto squash to the previous commit. There should be shorthand. Ah, okay. So git status. Yeah, I can do git commit. Sweet! This is so cool. Okay, then I don't need to rebase and yeah, much better. Now I need to add the same things here. So widget. So widget parent. B8. Kind of strange, the offsets where they start. Those are the proper offsets though, right? Color. No, that's not, that's base call. Allegedly. Ah, okay. So base call versus color. Right around here. So color. Am I missing something? So call, absolute color, and base call. Now, okay, this. Okay, so call, absolute, and base. So 2 to the 46 times 4. Alrighty, so this looks fine. Then we have update routes with rotation. Let's just keep this as is. I'm not sure if that's super duper correct, but whatever. Oh, interesting. Okay. Hit rotation. Hey, yo, another crazy one. Sadly, why did I remove the code in update rotation though? Ah, it's because of the fast scene stuff. Ah, okay. Maybe it's time for me to address that. So let's go here and do widget update routes. Widget entity widget. Oh wow. Very nice. Okay. So just do this. Yeah, this looks fine. Except this part. Okay. Okay. There's a problem here. This fast scene cosine approximation. I don't know if it exists. Okay, here it just seems to call these guys widget. Let me just, I need to do something very quick. I apologize for all the delay, but I had to make a phone call. And it took a while. I tried to work in the meantime, but yeah. I usually try to reserve, my Saturday afternoon, like this time, for this work, but because I want to stream for longer in these days. But yeah, sadly, some things come up. Multiple things, actually. Today has been kind of weirdly lots of stuff. Not a fan. Overall, so flags. What? Flags. Okay. What's that R? Oh, it's this rational T. And it's right after this guy. So I guess it's in I'll just put it at 0 and then I'll figure it out. But yeah. It was something, yeah. Actually, two very important things that just happened. I don't know. Doesn't really help to work on them now. So, yeah. Oh well. Let's just continue. Let's go. Oh, and the music was playing. Okay. That's funny. What should I listen to? Where's the what should I listen to now? I really want some kind of ambient music. Okay. Let's listen to the trial method. The good old reliable. YouTube being silly. 60. 60. What? For widget R? Oh, it's before color. Okay, that's true. My bad. Now it should work. And yeah. So the function that I just did was update. Okay, it was update rots, which is 40. Should be 40, but I know it's not there. So it's another thing to fix. And got 38. Yeah, exactly. So update call. Update rot. Yeah, right here. I guess I can just move these guys down here. Yeah, exactly. I can just move them. There's no other ones here, so. Nice. Okay. Now it seems to be fine, so for our last litmus tests, date rot. Rot. Rot is short for rotation. Yeah. Yes. Okay. This is what I wanted to see. So, and the thing is, now we know that at 60, there's a float R 22. Nice. Yeah, exactly. There's something that I missed. ABS. Oh, base angle. Oh, there's a lot of stuff that I missed, actually. Let's actually do the opposites that I usually do, right? So let's just go up here and base angle. And then there's the... So there's angle, base angle, and ABS angle, right? Let's just see how does this fall into place. 5C, 54, okay. So first things first, 5C, 54, 58. Crazy. Okay, now it should be fine. So angle, ABS angle. Now it's time to add the rest. Load. So order is angle, ABS base. Angle. Yeah, looks fine. So widget H. It's fine, right? Yeah, things match. Yeah, I'm happy for that. Okay. Let's patch it then. Update routes. Okay, update route, git status, git commit, widget, update route. Okay, oh, git diff. Okay, let's go. And I need to actually add it here. I'll need help from this fella. So base angle, so based angle is 2864. So that's float base angle. Okay, all good. 68. So this is the float R. It's this guy over here. Everything now is good. So both the versions are matching. It's cool. So okay, let's keep going, shall we? Update scale, another interesting one. So widget, scale, okay. Wait, it's this guy. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, the problem is this guy here, void. Yeah, widget. Nice. Yeah. It's time to add these guys over here. Yeah, octal, of course. Date scale. Right here. Base S. What the hell is base S? So S space. Okay. Let's do it the same way again, right? So this is the scale, and do the absolute, and then do the base. Pum, 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 pum. 130, 138, and 140. So where should I move this? Here, right? Okay, validation passes, and let's add it here. So float S2, float ABS2. Okay. Okay, get ABS scale. This guy for sure. Okay, matching. And add it to the widget H. Widget get. Alrighty, but this looks overall good. I don't think there's much for me to do besides comparing this. Nice, nice. No magic here. Okay, is basically what I expected. Huh. So update scale. Okay, matching. What else should I add here? So I did validation for this S stuff, whatever. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah. Exactly. This guy is the most important one. The vtable validation. Add this update scale. Update scale. Yes, please go ahead. Now I need to do the same thing for this guy over here. I guess I can just one-shot it. So float S2. This way, right? Yeah, it's matching. Perfect. Perfection. So now go up. Go up, up, up. Go here. Yeah. What is the next thing? Next hottest thing? Update position. Oh, update position. This thing is snitching on a lot of interesting parts of this class. Update position. Right, and it's this guy. It's fine, fine, fine. 98. Yeah. So I should probably get okay. Alrighty, so there's multiple things here. So update position, position, below. Wait, widget. No. Okay, matching, but this is not super done. So there's still a problem here. Which, or is there a problem? Absolute X, absolute Y. Not really, though. Okay, so yeah, of course, it's always this same crap over here. Base X, based X. Validate widget X0. Oh, actually, absolute X. Yeah, that sounds cool. And base, okay. Base, right? It's 44, 48. This should be enough. Well, yes, okay. And let's do the same here. I think I messed something up. 34. No, why is this not defined? Load Y. Load absolute X. Base X. Base Y, okay. These guys. Very nice. So let's apply the same thing here. Just remove this guy. 28 plus 20. For C, for C, for C. So which one is that? So that's base. So base X, base Y. Absolute. Okay, get absolute X. Oh, I didn't do this? Okay, now it's done. So, you know, now it's way better. Okay, so I made everything way better. Git diff. So update scale. So git add minus p. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. cannot really split that, sadly. So that's widget date scale, then git diff, git commit, widget update position. Sweet. Okay, let's continue. Transform. Oh. Scary, spooky, scary, hilarious. Excuse me? Transform, okay. Undeclared identifier. Okay, get screen width, gets. Okay. Does it return anything? No, it doesn't. So what can, so rational v color index. Okay, so this color word pointer. It's the index. Index. Yeah. Very interesting. So get screen width. I'll need to do this crazy thing. Write these methods. So ngl. Where are they defined? That's the thing that I care the most about. So ngl export int ngl get screen width. Okay. Height. Okay. Just to get these guys here. And ngl pc. And I'll need to return func. Type def int func pointer. Okay. Pointer func. Okay, this is the template that I always use, so can go there. Now let's see, get screen width. Oh. Okay, yeah, so this is good. Now I need to screen height, this. Okay, yeah, it's only a couple bytes down. Alrighty, so now this looks sweet. Any NGL function will, yeah, go through that crazy thing. Transform. So A2, A3, index. Okay, so it's easier to compare these guys. So I'm doing what object diff does, but manually. So you basically take the disassembly and you take the disassembly side by side. And yeah, okay, there's quite a few differences. But maybe I should load Toby to better understand the problem. Yes. Let me just check something. Okay. That's weird. That's far. So I have symbols for this, so V. Okay. It is already different there. Okay, all good. Yeah, I don't know why that's happening there. I guess they wanted to nullify it. Okay, this fixes part of the problem. The other weird thing is this one, right? Absolute. There's no original, yeah. So yeah, exactly. So just do this and it should look good. Thank you for your service. Let's just look at this guy again. I like the symbols. Symbols make me feel good. Pam pa da 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 da. As far. Can you believe it? Someone would go online and spread misinformation. Absolutely shocking. So stop doing that, Ida. I don't know why Ida sometimes does this rename the register thing. Okay, so I have a big problem here, right? I should call this V. Oh, pff, sweet. Sweet, it just fixed itself. Okay. Now, yeah, that's a big problem. And yeah, they match perfectly. Okay, I'm happy with this. So what's the name of its transform? With the OK matching. And there's some things that I need to address here, right? Absolute. Absolute color. R. No, I don't think so. Okay. Transform 37, right? Uh-huh. Yeah, patch. Remove orig. Patch. Remove division. Nice. Okay, so git commit am widget transform. Oh. I got 35. No. So I need to move it down to what's the name? Focus, update position. Yeah, right. So I need to move it down here. Now it should be fine. Actually, let's put this guy to here. Yeah, perfect. Now I can just git commit and no edits. Yes. Wait, git status. Add widget.h. Git status. Yeah, exactly. Let's continue. What's above transform? What's above transform? Set origin. Oh, set origin. Okay. Set origin right here. And it's absolutely in the it's in the correct space. It's one of the few cases. Oh yeah, okay. That's wrong. Okay. Set origin. And apparently it's floats. Okay. I'm not the one to argue. So orig x patch short to float. Oh wow. Orig x. Set origin, right? And it should be transformed, should be here. So set origin 36. Nice. When I do this, it should just load normally. Fine. Oh, it failed the validation. Angle, but got 58. So there's a problem, right? With orig x, right? So now this event list stuff is too big, right? It seems to be lots of usages, right? And my recommendation for this is to move this move down here. Everything else is in the correct space. I believe that's in the correct spot too. So yeah, okay. Now I can go back to set origin and save. No. I don't want to load the full DLL. Working with object files is much better. They are smaller to analyze and they contain lots of metadata by default. Okay. So I can just go here. Set origin. Okay, matching. Set origin. Piece of shit. Very nice. Set origin. Widget set. Oh. Okay, let's continue. Radio. Wait. I messed up big time. So I have the set origin stuff here. And I forgot to name the fields, right? So float orig X, float orig Y. Okay, perfect. The same thing here. I need to go here. Widgets, gap 54. So gap 54 is around here. And thing here. Orig Y. Okay, good. Set subrect. Huh. Subrect. Yeah, okay. Subrect. Right here. Yeah, I guess I know what's the problem. Is that it should be float. Okay. Set subrect. Oh no, I'll need to... no problem. No problems. So, first of all, these will need to be moved down. No problemo. 150. Okay, here the proper address is 158. So what's a subrect, right? Where can I find rectf? Okay, rect F. Yeah, right here. Okay. Top right. Okay. So it's 2 vector 2Ds. Okay. Maybe is there a... Let's just open a random file. Rect CPP. There's no rect CPP. You know what? I'll add the method here. Fuck it. And void validate rect F. This is something that templates could help, so I'm not sure why they did not use templates, but I'm not the one to argue. Validate, okay. Validate size, rect F. So this is the size. Validate rect F. TL at 0 and TF no top left and bottom right, it should be at 8. Okay, should be fine. And no more problemos. Undeclared. Yeah, true. So rect F, and here patch F rect F. Sweet. Okay, this is really good to see. What I actually need is now set subtract. Yeah, all of these guys here. Int float G. Okay, so let's just do it again. Okay, this is really nice to see. So I need to add validation to this guy. So okay, matching, and subtract. Right, validate. Set 148. Okay. Subtract 148, and is topmost. So update position, set origin. So set subtract. Okay. Subtract 35, and now I'll need to add patch for it. Let's just split these guys. Set subtract. Okay, git diff. So set subtract. Let me just run the validation first. Yeah, it passes. So let's define the subtract here, right? So there's a widget. Gap 148. Is there such a thing as rect f subtract? I don't think so. Okay. I have vector 2. No, I don't have vector 2. Okay. Rect vector 2d. Okay. So just edit type. So what I'm gonna do here is vector 2d. Very ambitious stuff, right? Struct rect f, and it's a vector 2d. Top right, no, top left, vector 2d, bottom right. That's it. That's everything there is to it. So now I can do rect f subtract, and see, do the same thing for this guy. I don't know why it's floating. So widget. Let me just steal the things from here. So vector 2d, goes into C syntax, yes. And this guy over here, rect F, goes into that too. Gap 150 goes into rect subrect. Perfect. Okay, this is what I want to see. Let's continue. Wait, I committed, right? If oh, yeah, I did. So let's go subrect. Fade 2. Oh wow, quite a big one. Color W event. Huh, that's interesting. This doesn't look too complicated compared to what I was expecting. Set subrect. Let's see the function above, right? Set color. It's a different set color though. Oh, they are okay. These ones got swapped. That's very interesting. Very interesting. Why will they swap them? Pfft. I guess it was a mistake. But it's one of those annoying mistakes. Let's just look at something. Let me. Okay, I'm back. So, uh, yeah, let's go back there. This guy is this one, not set color, but the fade to float. What? Why did this happen? So many. All good. So, okay. Need to get my head in the game. Color, no. Do I have any? Okay. Whatever. Ah, shit. Now I got distracted by what I was supposed to do. This takes 2 arguments, but that's not a big deal. PA add 4. So color. Oh yeah, it's 4 colors. That's interesting. All of these set color. Let me check these things. It's fade 2. Why am I looking at set color? That's why I was so confused. Why none of them take colors? Oh, it's right here. Okay. No worries. Seems to be in the correct place. So fade 2. A4. What? Ah. So it's updating the alpha and then calling update color. That's why it's correct. Okay, A4. A4 index is 29. Okay. This should work, hopefully. That's why it worked. We got 41. I'm a doofus. Yeah, it's this guy. The fuck am I doing? Yeah, now it makes sense. Okay, matching. Okay, whatever. It's very hard to reference the proper one. You know, functions with the same name is bad, just in general. Leads to these wonky situations. I hate polymorphism. Yeah, but just give different names to your functions. G, A2, rational T. Okay. It will help a little. Just a little. So I don't think I can add validation to it, but even though I can't add validation, I can do this, which is where is it? Where is he? This guy. So they moved around some functions, which is kind of interesting. Unexpected, but yeah, it happens. So you go here. You go. Yeah, wrong spots. So What? Why is it still there? Put it here. What? Don't save. What? This guy. What the heck is going on? Oh, wait. Let's just rebuild all and see what happens. Kind of annoying that this is not... Okay, let's see it now. Let's actually check on Toby, because I don't know what's going on with that guy. What? What? Let's check this guy, right? Why is Fate 2 above it? What? It makes no sense. Am I missing something? Fate 2. There's 2 that I found. This guy. So let's just comment this guy and replace it with a padding virtual. It should stop existing. On error, okay. Okay, panic. Okay, actually, this looks fine. So let's just do panic. The good old-fashioned style. Ah, Fate 2 overloaded, not found in widget. Ah, you're right. So I guess you can do it this way. Because I'm absolutely confused by what's going on. Okay. Okay, so it actually moved down now. Okay. It's not perfect, but I'll just let it slide for now. How do I make sure that nothing is broken then? You know, let's just do this for now and not worry too much. Kind of silly what I'm doing, but at least it works. Okay. I'll let future me deal with this. Okay. I'm leaving a message to myself. So fade to set color. So this so widget 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is why is this slightly out of order? Man, it hurts my brain to see stuff like this. Okay. Um. Right. So if I go here and do this and go to page 2, this guy, will this work? Set color. This guy. I'll give it an okay matching because I guess it's fine, but this is not the reason why. Don't tell me that overloaded ones. But oh my, this is so annoying. Okay, MSVC reorders virtual methods. Wait. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, so what I need to do is get these evil methods and put them here. Okay. So I'm missing a padding virtual here. Other fade too. How am I supposed to deal with this then? Set color. So float color pointer. Okay, I need to Google this. MSVC starting virtual functions. Why is this bullshit happening? Why? Or okay, why is this sorting it? Uh, mm, so if I do this, does it help or does it change anything? This makes Cygnus 10 times harder for no reason to set color. Am I gonna deal with this? Okay. Oh, it seems to actually have changed. Hey, yo. Set color, float color. This is insane. Oh, wow. So I guess I just need to play with this until I get what I want. No color. Uh-huh. I want to put it at the bottom, like this. Widget. Set color. No! It went straight to the top, to the TP top. Okay. This is insane, I gotta be honest. Like that I need to deal with this. pt.2 set color. Hmm. Oh, wait a moment. I think I figured it out. I'm sending a message. Mr. Notepad. Right? I can nuke this guy. Okay, this is actually really good news for me. Okay, but how do I, okay, this is not perfect news though. How do I keep the validation validating, right? So, apparently the definition is it's color, float, yeah, it's this guy. This is the proper order. If since I moved it down, I was moving it up. Oh, straight flames. I'm kidding. That's it. It's very, very interesting. Set color. What is the set color? A mister. Would you like to set the color? Yes, I would love to. So let's see how does this. From void. Okay, let's ask Mr. GPT. C++. How do I get the address of a polymorphic function? Morphic function. You're stupid. Ugh, that's not what I'm asking, you dumbass. Not portable. That's not what I asked. Okay. Okay. Shut the fuck. Can you be okay? In C++, if two functions have the same name and different address and different arguments, how do I encapsulate each one on function pointers? Disambiguates. Okay, so it's still doable. So my assertions, right? So validate. Okay, yeah. Okay. So if I do this void fuck auto. I don't use auto. Okay. Void pointer and it takes a widget point. Okay, let's see if this works. Error at comma. Okay, void widget set color. Cannot convert from. Okay. Cannot convert from. Wait. I guess this is the one messing up. Okay, it looks fine. Cannot. This is aggravating. Is entity, right? Bool discall. Okay. So you can do bool discall to void. Okay, that's true. So let's just do it the old-fashioned way, right? To bool pointer. What? bool widget to bool C declaration. That's not true. Oh yeah, oh, holy snaps. It's quite simple. So widget, yeah, and const. Uh-huh. What about okay? What about const function? Hey, ChatGPT is coming in clutch. Oh, oh. So what you do is go here and write const. It get not qualified file. Oh yeah. It get yeah. Widget. Get next. Missing before tag. What? Okay. Cannot convert to yeah, void const. Okay. Void const. Like so. Oh, sweet. Sweet. So what I can do, get some address. So what I can do is func yeah, expected CLS member. Okay, no, a CLS member expected. CLS member func expect. Okay, much better. So yeah, it looks fine. Poly. Okay. Kind of crazy to have to do all of these, right? But so void set color. Takes a color, right? And this is a set color. And then is auto a keyword? I would love to get it as a keyword. Dunk it. So pointer set color C. Okay. Right. set color, func is pointer, exactly, poly, let's see if this works. I did it! Oh lord, these are annoying functions, but yeah. Set color, CA right above it, right? And in this regard, it's just this guy. Very nice. So then, instead of CA, it's TTC time value T time value color. So TTC 30. Then I need a 29. So TTC, where is it? Then it's RRR, which is rational T, and RRR. Okay. Just doing this all in a row just makes my life happy. And gives me confidence to continue. So yeah, as I said, I prefer to have a strong validation rather than just being based off of vibes. Okay, let's get some music on. Let's put this. Okay. Yeah, I was not expecting to run into these problems. I can't even call them problems, right? These are part of the challenge, you know. So let's patch it, right? Mr. Color would like to patch you. So I mean set color, and now this guy is this guy. Whee! Okay, widget CPP, set color, yeah, if. Okay, not super duper fan of that, but it works, so. Git commit, widget, set color. Okay, now let's do the next one, right? The one right above it. This guy. This guy is this one. Does it look the same? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So, okay, matching. Set color. Commit. Commit. Another match, which is this guy. I just got in line, which is crazy. So rational. Good. That's it, right? No, it's not. Almost forgot that the arguments are totally different, so we need to be careful. And yeah. So rational t. Good. This is not all, right? Just run the validation just to be super duper sure. New colored, okay, W event stuff. I'm a little iffy about that, to be honest. But let's see. It's this guy. Yeah. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I'll have other times to do that. So let's keep going. Oh yeah, so I need to go to my good friend here. Get shear angle. Oh. Shear angle. Okay, one of them is empty. No, what? Rotate 2. Is that wrong? Okay. Okay, this is the shear angle. Okay, there's something here that I don't know what it is. Let's just check something. Oh, set shear angle and get shear angle. Okay. So set color right around here. And export void shear angle. Okay. So these two guys, I need to add them here. So validate vtable widget get shear angle is 27 and this guy wait. Give me a minute. All right. Okay. I got everything that I needed. Is it dumb what I have here? So it's definitely float. This guy widget. Okay. Okay. And let's go. It is definitely wrong. Yeah. So by adding these two virtual functions, I pushed many things down. And that's not good. Right. So I need to go here and so flush. Flush is definitely part of it. Move to, yeah. Okay, ignore parents. Okay, message handler. Move. Is not a thing, at least not for now. Two errors. What are the two errors? Is not a member of menu item widget. Okay. Nice. So actually I can just do this, that, with the stack. Widget. Okay, whatever. Come on, man. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, all good. Creed. So let me just our parent scale to rotate. Maybe I can remove this padding virtual. No, I need it. Or no. No, I don't. Okay. Oh, okay. It passes now. So the function that I was gonna do is get shear angle. Yeah, exactly. So get shear angle, return 0. But the set shear angle, what? That's crazy. Kind of curious to see why that's the thing, right? Get shear angle. Okay, this is very nice. So first, go to this guy, get shear angle, and actually get shear angle. Okay. Okay, matching, and no one is writing here, right? Because that's my problem. If someone writes here, it's in raw data. Yeah, it's in R data. R data stands for read-only data. Get shear angle. Sometimes also called raw data, as in read-only data, right? Git commits widget get shear angle. Okay, you go, boy. So here's the other one. This is more important because I need to remove this, remove that, take this. and make it match. Okay, matching. Good. So set shear angle. Set shear angle. Git commit. Set shear angle. Perfect. 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 So time to rotate 2. Okay, rotate 2. It's only 1. Rotate 2. Okay. Rotate 2. This doesn't look like rotate 2, to be honest. Yeah, 40. What's that? Offset 40. Update rotation. Rotate along axis. So it's rotate along axis, float, float, float. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. Okay. I need to add another one. Flock. So set shear angle. Yeah, okay. Export void rotate long. Oh, wait, it already exists. What? I know where it's getting. It's getting the name from. Yeah, okay. Rotate along axis. Yeah, it's getting from TMP. That's why. Float, float, float. Okay. It's cool. So now shear angle. Widget. And I guess you just this update rots. So you just do this and it should be fine. And no. Yeah, this guy. So along axis 25. Okay. He's not a member of widgets. It's not. Virtual void. Void. What? Ah, yeah, I forgot to declare it here. Okay, that's true. So I'm pushing stuff down. To be careful. There's another. So okay. Um so let's just take a look, right? So everything until render looks like to be fine. Everything after okay, this I think this can be removed. And yeah, it magically validates now. Woohoo! So let's go. What's the name? Doesn't really matter, right? I can just go here, rotate along axis. And if you go here, you get a perfect match. So, okay, matching, match added, okay. Okay. Rotate along axis. It is good. And then have rotate to widget angle. So float so I can go here and pull the same trick that I did before, right? Rotate 2, okay. Rotate to R, and it takes a rational T. Yeah. Widget rotate 2. Validate vtable poly. That's 24, and that's the rotate to R. I got 24. Wait, what? Oh, true. Time value, rational. Okay. Much better now. Okay. So now I can do this again. I should definitely remove those padding functions. They are obnoxious. Rotate to This guy. Okay, matching. And just go here. um, yeah, I'll leave it as is for now. Okay. Scale 2, float, float, float. Okay. So now we have 3 scale 2s and the first one takes 2 floats. Oh, for freak's sake. What? Is this? Oh, it's this guy. My bad, my bad, my bad. I was about to start swearing. But then... Okay, I'll need to export this guy. Export. Nice. Yeah, just get both of them, all of them here. Put them in the reverse order. Nice. So, widget. Okay. What do I need here? Okay. Rational. Okay, am I missing some? Yeah, okay, I'm missing this guy. Skill 2, RR, okay. Scale 2, RR22, PTRR, 21. So this guy, R, is only 20. Okay. This should be fine. 6 errors. Only 6 errors. Rotate to R. Scale to 2. Oh yeah, my bad. Oh, what? That's true. Scale. My bad. And release. Okay, fine. Okay, this is good to see. So the first one that I need to check is this guy. It seems to be perfect, right? Yeah. So validating all beforehand. Really cash money I did not copy the 7. That would have been a cool crash. So there you go. Now let's go to the skip this one. Go straight to this guy. No to what? Okay. Oh. There's 4 scale twos. Oh wow. Okay, this is one. There's another. It is the one that I can do. This is the 2 floats. Yeah. And this is the okay. No, 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 no. I think I messed up. So I gave it. Oh, there's 4 skill twos. It's this guy, right? And it's the 4. Oh, I missed this guy. That's fine. Okay. Ah, I was so confused. Oh, there's one more. So scale 2. What's the last one? It's 3, right? 3, yeah. But it's TTR. Yeah. TTR, and this is 19. And this is TTR. Okay. You're missing some. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is time value t, rational t. Yeah, Mr. Compiler. Okay. This is really good news. So scale 2. Yeah, this version rational. Okay, matching. Okay. Git commit widget scale 2. So let's just go here and do it. Instead of eyeballing it, let's just click it. Pow. Pow. Okay. Where's the other skill tools though? Oh, this is the only one float. Yeah, it's this guy. Okay. I forgot skill 2. Rational T. Rational T. Now I do the same here. Rational T. Okay. Skill 2. There you go. And what's the next one? Skill 2 with 3 floats. Another simple one. Time value, time value. The code. Okay. So move 2. So the first one looks like it's float, float. It's this guy. Float, float. Yeah. It do be like that sometimes. They're so different. This can skip the move 2s. Let's see render, right? This guy over here. Just got bigger. Hmm. Ah. So it's calling sort. But then below there's frame advance. It doesn't look like frame advanced, this guy. Hmm. This is interesting. When I check this guy over here, right, there's the widget Z sort stuff. Mm-hmm. Take a look at other functions then. Get height. This guy. Oh, get widget text. I'll make it this way to avoid any get widget text, right? Okay, it's defined in the header, so void const return null. It's something goofy like this. It's literally this guy. Get widget text for oh nice. So okay, so what's below height? Flush. Mm-hmm. Huh. Let's see what's going on here in Flush. Maybe I need to do more of these inner classes thing. So W event, color W event, widget is W event spending it. Okay, let me just spending this guy, right? Here, here. Hmm. Okay, so okay. I just give it the name. Okay, this looks fine. So widgets, yeah. Let's put the methods next to the other methods, right? So export bool is W events pending is W events. Okay, it's const as I imagine. W events. Padding. I forgot the name. Okay, not a big deal. I can still analyze it. Very bad. Okay. Different than 0. That's it. I guess that's the thing that's happening. Let's try. Let's see. I guess this is the proper way to do it. It doesn't really matter. It's already correct, but about being extra super duper correct, right? And yeah, that's how you got it to match. Patch push red. So is W events pending? Match? No, it's not matching. God damn it. So I need to So it should be 28th apparently. W event run list. Yeah, exactly. So I need to W event run list. Yeah, go ahead. Children. I put it here. Is it in the correct spot? It got 30. Okay. I'll put it there, right? Okay, I guess use projection matrix. So, wait, it didn't change shit. Okay, hmm. Oh, I can just remove this. Oh, I didn't remove that whatever. I just realized what I did. One Shivat got 18. Now it should work. Okay. Now if you go here. Nice. So this is indeed done. Git diff. So some What is this? This secret function. Widget. Let's look at this one. Remove W events. Remove, okay. This guy. Okay. So let's see, remove W. I have no, let me just check something. So std list cpp. Okay, checks whether it's empty. Okay, exactly. So clear the contents, yeah. Hmm. What if I do resize 0, right? Isn't it better? Yeah, looks like that. Okay. Const iterator it event on list begin while it different this run list and actually can do it w run list begin. Yeah, this T++. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that looks fine. Is not a member of widget. Yeah, you're right. And declared identifier. Oh, w event list T rate. Okay. Okay, now it looks really good. It doesn't look super good for one reason. Resize. Clear. Okay. Let's see now it's matching. These guys just wanted to be 5,000,000% sure that. Okay, not matching STL shenanigans. Mm. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Maybe the widget stuff, I'll leave it for now. I'm getting a little tired of it, so maybe I can explore other things. So for that, I can just run one extra validation and let's try the game, right? Oh no. So you can see that I fucked up. Why? Okay, time to debug. So hide, so starting with hide. So it's one of these guys that broke it. And I'll find out which one. And for that, I can put a terminal here. Copy. Okay, the game works fine. I just remove this. Doesn't help anything. Oh, so just these top functions over here cause the black screen that I'm seeing. So I guess just to be sure that none of these at the bottom is causing it. It's very important to make sure that it's not multiple at once. Okay, it works. Okay, so it's some of these guys. Focus at least. I have no idea which one could be. Update scale. I don't know. Let's try these guys. Oh, it's black screen. So I'm getting black screen. Don't tell me it's hide, because it's gonna be fun if it's hide. Just want to be sure that these bottom ones also don't cause it, right? It's very important to make sure that I don't have the same problem multiple times. Is why render related functions. Okay, it's fine. So the problem, it's certainly around these guys. So transform. Okay, let's just do this. So these are suspicious, right? Okay, it works. So just to be sure, I need to wait. Okay. So is entity set layer. Okay. Let's just do it this way. Copy. Come on, man. Copy. It works. Okay. So it's hide and I believe it's hide. So just to be sure, what I'll need to do is just uncomment this guy and see what happens. I didn't have to switch tabs, but whatever. Okay, I found it. It's hide. Why is hide causing problems, right? Hide. Why is hide the problem child? So go here to Mr. Hyde. To hide. Yeah. Yeah, looks fine. 52. Yeah, this looks good. Uh-oh. Okay, no, if this, okay. So the size is 5e. Mm. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no, oh no, that was a bad bug. Bad bug. Okay. Yikes. I let that slide. Okay. Hide. Okay, now it's working, as you can see. Need to disable the music that I'm listening to. It's clashing with. Okay. Okay. Oh, that guy got bounced around. Yo, yo, be careful. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Okay, go away. You press the target camera key. Okay, it's good to know that this is working. Okay, so I just had that bug there. I think I'll finish the stream for today. I got derailed multiple times. That's fine. Not sure what I'll work on next stream though. Maybe on game. It's one of the few things that I don't think I've started with, right? Game file, this guy's game, right? But, okay, here it is. It's this big ass thing over here. Okay, game settings. And it's created here, so 320. Register signals, yeah. Is item an entity? I can definitely do item and these things. Okay. Yeah, I got distracted so many times today that kind of lost interest in working more today. But at least I did what I set out to do, so all good. So do this. Fix bug in widget hide. Yeah. So git push. I don't know how many changes I did today, but since I got 30 commits, yeah. I expected to do around 40, but yeah, 30 is really good. I'm not going to say it isn't, so. And it's almost all in widget, right? Or all in widget. I'm happy with this, yeah. So widget had so many changes and it's not showing, yeah. Remove double events. It's coming along really nicely, I gotta say. I have no idea what this guy does, but yeah. Yeah, maybe next stream I'll try to do game or item. I'm not really sure yet. Yeah, as usual, tomorrow there's no stream. It's my off day. Why did I open IDA again? Okay. So yeah. Is done. I only need this IDBs Python backup. Yeah. Oh yeah, before you go, don't forget to go to my blog to learn more about what I'm doing. And yeah, let's just wait for this to finish, and I'll end the stream. Bro, why is it taking so long? I guess writing over the network is quite quick. Slow. Okay, it's done. Alrighty. Thanks everyone that came to the stream, and yeah, have a nice one. See ya.